Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, as you can see there are clear pattern forming. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, there is a clear U pattern is forming. After that there is a fall, and then from there this is called a cup pattern. Probability of going further upside we can see because there is already above a resistance at a level of 1987. Now this will act as a strong support. So if the price comes close to below this level, a further fall we can see, but it is already on the upside, and now there is a higher chances that it can cross a level of $2009 and a probability of going towards 2032 also, and then to a level of 2047 and then further upside. Okay, this is a particular pattern we have seen after 2023, but before 2023 there are two patterns forming. Okay, this is a 2-year pattern, this is an 8-month pattern, and before that there is a 10-year pattern. Okay, this is an 8-month pattern, this is a 2-year pattern. Okay, so similarities are same. The gold is moving in a U pattern form, as you can see looking at this particular chart. So always be careful that whenever it is hitting a new high, a profit booking can come at that particular level. Now before this particular pattern, there is from 2012 to 2020 8-year pattern is there, which is showing a similar pattern which is being formed here. Okay, why I'm telling you all this, because you have to understand how the gold is moving. See, if you look at this particular trend also, this trend also, and this trend also, now it is trying to form the same trend. Chances can be high that it will go towards 2026 to a level of 2032 and then a further upside. Overall trend is upside for the gold. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, probability of going further upside we can see. So let's see where the price goes. If you look at this particular chart, chances are very high. It can touch a level of around $2004. If the price sustain above that level, chances of going further upside we can see towards a level of $207.91, which is already being a weak resistance. So chances are high it will cross that level and can go towards $2011. Once started going above $2011, chances of going towards 2018 will be there, and if the price keeps sustaining above that level, a further upside we can see towards a level of around $2023. Okay, this $2023 is already being tested, so chances of going further high we can see, and then a probability of going towards $2031, and from there a further upside. I repeat that if the price sustain this level, it will cross a level of around $2004 to a level of $2909, and if it goes above that level, we will see a level of 2017 to a level of around $2024, and which is already being a weak resistance. So chances are high we can see it will touch a level of $2033, and once started going above that level, we can see a level of $2041, and from there after 2041, keep that in mind, there is a probability that it will cross a level of around 2048, and chances of touching a level of 2053 we can see. As soon as started going up that level, we can see that it can touch its all-time high also, and a further upside movement also. Remember, till the time it is not going below a level of $1987, and if once it comes also, we can see a bounce back, but probability is higher that it will sustain. If it sustain above a level of 1996, a further upside is we can see, because this is a strong support as of now. Second is around 1987. Okay, but remember something, if overall trend is upside, we can see a price action also, but you have to understand something, market is always uncertain. Okay, if you are thinking that the market will move as per you, no, it will not. It will go as per what we can see on the charts. Okay, the data can come, data can go, news can come, news can go, and can be manipulated also. So always remember to see what is going on the chart is the real thing. Okay, suppose if it is an uptrend, probability of uptrend is on a higher side rather than if you are thinking it will go down. Okay, so always try to follow the trend. So now if it form a swing, okay, suppose it form a swing, then the next support coming at a level of around $1997. Okay, if the price fall below 1997, chances of going towards a level of around 1993 we can see. Okay, and if it started going below that particular level, then we can see it will touch a level of around $1987. Okay, and once the price started moving below 1987, a further fall we can see, which is a probability that it will go towards a level of around $1978. Okay, and if it started going below that particular level, then we can see it will touch a level of around $1990. Okay, and once the price started moving below 1987, a further fall we can see, which is a probability that it will go towards a level of around $1978. Okay, and if it started going below that particular level, then we can see it will touch a level of around $1978. Okay, and once the price started moving below 1987, a further fall we can see, which is a probability that it will go towards a level of around $1990. Okay, and if it started going below that particular level, then we can see it will touch a level of around $1978. Okay, and once the price started moving below 1987, a further fall we can see, which is a probability that it will go towards a level of around $1978. Okay, and if it started going below that particular level, then we can see it will touch a level of around $1990. Okay, and once the price started moving below 1987, a further fall we can see, which is a probability that it will go to Okay, if it moves below that particular zone, we will see that it will go towards a level of around 1972. Again, I repeat, suppose if the price fall below this $2000.62, chances of touching 1993 will be there to a level of around $1987, and after this 1993 we can see a level of 1987, then to a level of 1978, and if it goes below that level we can see a level of 1972. Once the price started falling below a level of 1972, chances of touching 1970 we can see from there to a level of 1960. Okay, you have to understand that what I'm telling you, these are strong supports and resistance. You have to understand at these levels profit booking comes. Okay, a profit booking comes or a bounce back comes, so you have to understand how to take your position further. Okay, if it started going below that level, we can see it will go further down, and then we can see it will go towards a level of around 1953 to a level of $1949. As soon as started going below this particular level, then a trend will form, so probability is higher that as soon as start going below 1950, a further fall we can see in the price of gold, because this is the pattern forming. Okay, if we have to go on a monthly basis chart, that overall trend is upside, but started going below a level of 1965, chances will be high that this pattern will create, so probability we can see that it will go towards further down. Okay, if the price fall below 1965 and if it goes below 1953, then there is a more chances of going further fall. Okay, the fall can be till a level of around 1922 also in this level. Okay, but overall trend is upside, so we can see there is a probability of upside movement till the time it is sustaining 1987. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.